if you have kidney issues, kidney disease, you have to stop eating the protein. The protein is the direct cause of your kidney issues. There's a reason why kidney failure is rampant these days. This is because everywhere you look, all the radio ads, TV ads, always pushing protein. Protein, protein, protein. This is very, very wrong, and it damages your kidneys. If you get off the protein, you will see a vast improvement in the health of your kidneys. You just try it and see. It's that simple. You don't have to take anyone's word for it, because the proof is in the pudding. You get off the high protein, the kidneys start to get better, okay? You gotta go 100% fruit diet. You gotta go on a raw vegan diet at the least, but a high fruit diet, 100% fruit diet is the preferred way, because remember that when an organ doesn't work properly, or a gland doesn't work properly, you have to remove the cause of the issue. This is mucus, stagnant mucus, and acids that remain in the organ or tissue, and this affects it. You remove that by going 100% fruit diet, because that's the fruits move the lymph system. You get the kidneys to filter those acids out, and you see the organ or gland can recover, okay, and you can get better. 100% fruit diet, and use herbs for the kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach, and bowels. It's that simple, and it actually works when you try it.